Did you know that the province's oldest public art collection lives with the Government of Ontario? They have 2,800 pieces, with 600 of them being up on the walls here in this building, the Legislative Assembly of Ontario. The others are on loan to government offices, courthouses, and some can even be found in schools.
So my role is to curate, to display these works, to make sure they're not, stored away in the vault and that they're made accessible to everyone.
Lainey was discussing the art with the speaker, the Honorable Donna Skelly, at a recent Speaker Series event. She explains that it was the first publicly funded art collection in Canada and includes diverse types of media.
We have paintings, we have portraits, we have busts, we have sculpture, we have public art, there's works on paper. It's really exciting.
All of the artists are Canadian, and a vast majority of them are from Ontario, with the earliest pieces dating back to the 1850s.
So the goal of the earliest parts of the collection was to function as education, not only to teachers, but also to the public.
That's one of the reasons why the art collection contributes to our understanding of Ontario's cultural identity.
The wonderful part about this is it's the archival, it's the heritage, and then bringing forward that work into a contemporary era where we can play with the space and bring new context to the work.
And the collection is far from stagnant.
The collection does evolve as art evolves, and we are all so grateful, and we're so fortunate to have you part of our team here at Queen's Park.
If you want to see the artwork for yourself, be sure to book a free tour of the building. Learn more by visiting ola.org. For the Legislative Assembly of Ontario, I'm Amanda Cupido.